This is more than just a house. It's a place where comfort, connection, and family naturally come together. With over 3,300 square feet and a fully self-contained 2-bedroom basement suite, this home is the perfect family or investment opportunity for everyone to live together under one roof, yet still enjoy privacy and independence. It's a house that proves you don't have to choose between closeness and space, because here you have both. Thanks for watching.